Hello all, welcome to the day 4 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Miss Sheela visited a store near her house and found that the glass jars are arranged one above the other in a specific pattern. On the top layer there are 3 jars, in the next layer there are 6 jars, in the third layer from the top there are 9 jars, and so on till the 8th layer. On the basis of the above situation, answer the following questions. Question 1. Write an AP whose terms represent the number of jars in different layers starting from the top. The AP is 3, 6, 9 and so on. Also find the common difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is 6 minus 3, that is 3. Second question, is it possible to arrange 34 jars in a layer if this pattern is continued? Justify your answer. For this, let us assume that there is some row in the arrangement which has 34 jars. That is, AN is equal to 34. A plus n minus 1 times D is 34. A is 3 plus n minus 1 times D is also 3. We get n minus 1 times 3 equal to 31, and n is equal to 31 by 3 plus 1. Since n does not belong to natural numbers, a layer with 34 jars is not possible. Question 3. If there are n number of rows in a layer, then find the expression for finding the total number of jars in terms of n. Hence, find S8. Sn gives the total number of jars, which is equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Here we know a and d. A is 3 plus n minus 1 times d is also 3. N by 2 times 6 plus 3n minus 3, which is n by 2 times 3 plus 3n. Taking the 3 common, we get 3n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the general expression for getting the total number of jars. Now hence find S8. So we have to use this formula to get S8. N is 8, which gives us 108. Fourth question. The shopkeeper added 3 jars in each layer. How many jars are there in the fifth layer from the top? 3 jars are added to each layer. So the first layer has 6. Second one 9. Third one 12. And so on. A is 6 and D remains the same, which is 3. A5 is equal to A plus 4D, which is 6 plus 4 times 3, that is 18. So there are 18 jars in the fifth layer from the top. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.